Why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. This is an old family secret that has been used to improve sleep for generations. This is especially helpful to people who have difficulty falling asleep. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds and its strong aroma have a calming effect and can help your quality sleep. Garlic's aroma is strong and can be difficult, however, after a few days, you will get used to it and you will be sleeping so soundly, you will not even notice. Garlic also has a positive effect on your performance throughout the day, and it helps at night to recharge for the next day. Another way to experience of the benefits of garlic's ability to help sleep involves preparing a natural drink that will help you relax. Ingredients: 1 glass milk, 1 clove garlic, crushed 1 teaspoon honey. Directions: combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan and heat until boiling. Let boil for 3 minutes, then remove from heat and let cool. Add the honey and drink. You should drink it around 30 minutes before bed for best results. In addition to being one of the best seasonings, garlic is a powerful ally for your health and will treat sleep problems.